out to do some stuff. I was meant to have today off, but it's going to be one stupid hectic day. We've got a whole lot going on, so potentially a whole lot going on. Some things could be going wrong. So stick with me as we go on today's journey. First off, I've got to go get some sand because old mate Jordan's coming over and we're sandblasting the wheels off his EJ Holden wagon. That's a 1960s Holden wagon. We may be picking up 2 cars. Yes, that's right, because I bought them at Gray's again. So I'm going to finish my coffee, warm the car up, we'll go and get this sand for sandblasting the wheels on the EJ Holden. Bags of sand out the back. Okay, we have got the sand out the back ready. I've gone and got that, and Jordan is on his way over. We aren't doing the wheels first. We're going to go and pick up the 2 cars first. And news just in, Brisbane's in a 3-day lockdown because of this new strain of COVID. So everything's going a little bit crazy today. Let's get the cars done first before it's too late. And then I've got something to do in the garage. Not that I don't have enough already, hey. I'll have something to do in the garage while we could possibly be in a lockdown again. Like long lockdown. I'm about to go and pick it up. Hopefully it's not too dead. I've got some jumper packs on me. Get this thing going. And Jordan's going to meet me at the exit. All right, there she blows. I've got the, well, hopefully I don't need the jump packs. Oh, get this thing fired up, hopefully. Oh, it's got a little tear, I didn't notice. How's that? She fired up beautiful. So $1,200 all up with the fees. All right. Let's hope she gets us home okay. She better check the brake lights, eh? Anyway, everything's in the car. The smell of old shit boxes. Okay, let's go. What do you reckon?
Yeah, good. Come on, really nice.
That's the spot I'm talking about there.
Yeah, the other door's got it too.
Has it?
Yeah.
There's nearly not enough crack on that.
Yeah, sort of.
That's all right.
Is it there? Is it there?
Oh. But look, mate, the tyres are fine. They're even Super Cats, which were on the first show. All 4 matching tyres. Okay.
You won't even be able to see.
Plates there.
Plates there.
All right. So, good clean will fix it, eh?
Yeah, no, good. The paint will come up really good.
All right.
So, as soon as I look at the paint and how good you can get the paint, I see like...
Well, I reckon I can get interior spot on.
Oh, that's good.
With your cleaner. See, even that looks shit, but that'll clean up.
Yeah, it should do. How's it look like?
It's just worn, it's not falling down. All right. Here we go again. So, first impressions of the new purchase. Purchase 1. I don't know why we've got 2. Anyway. It's got half a tank of gas. Feels fine, it's not wobbling on the road at all. Couple of little things we didn't notice before. There's a hole in the seat on the side, same as the last Ford I did. It's just dirty. And Jordo, who's working with me on these projects, Jordan believes we could get that paint looking pretty smick, which will be fantastic. Anyway, let's hope it gets over the gateway. two. Can't believe we got two.
You did it.
This one is better nick than that.
Okay. And how much was this one?
1,000.
1,000. A little bit cheaper.
A little bit cheaper.
But might not do as well. What year is it?
Not sure. 90 something. Early 90s.
A bit later than that.
Yeah.
What's that one?
That's 89. I thought it was 86, but it's 89.
It's not better.
30, that's 32. This is nearly 30. But this has the V6 like Connor's in it. Alrighty. Okay. Thank you very much. Alright. Car number 2, I got stuck talking to Ryan from Grays Online. I met through the Peugeot. Anyway, I better go. Jordan's waiting for me in the rain. What do you reckon? A little bit more maybe an engine mount. I feel a vibration when it drives. Hey?
Sounds like a raining car.
But hopefully underneath those seats is good. Just, that'll clean up. See, these look like new. Look. That's not even faded. Or it's had a front ender and they fixed it at some point.
Okay.
Alright, see you at home. Yes, there's a knock there it's had. I didn't notice that. Yeah. But mate, it's for the day. It was like it's these usually fall off.
Do they?
The glue comes loose all around here and they fold in. All good, I think. It's got cruise control.
Oh, did you test it?
Works. Central locking works. We've got electric windows on everything. Look at the back seat.
Looks immaculate.
$800 plus settlement. So it was an $809 car. Right there. There it is. This, all that is not. Just give it a rev and you'll feel the vibration. Feel it?
Have a look at that.
Yeah, it's moving a bit. Do it again. Yeah. I reckon it needs a set of mounts. I'm going to go transmission mount first because that feels very similar to the Volvo. With both cars now home and a quick once-over, our plan of attack was formulated and a budget set. And finally for the day, it was time for Jordan to experience what it's like to wet sandblast and hit those rims of his from his old wagon. Yeah, mate. Jordan did not enjoy that one bit. He said to me, "Did you do the whole bloody truck like this?" I said, "Yep." Anyway, he was literally covered head to toe in sand. Didn't get it all done, so he's taking the equipment and the sand and whatever and back to his place. Enzo, you ain't going to be happy. All right, so that's it, folks. They're the two cars that we are going to nail out as fast as we can over the coming weeks. Ultimately, it'll probably be about 3 or 4 days each, but we've got to do them in between work. So they'll be quick, but they're done 1 week apart, basically. So plenty of footage to come on those. Hopefully they come together pretty nice and pretty swish. And yeah, we'll catch you later. Find a bite, fix it, flip it. Hope you enjoyed that, and we'll catch you next time. Ciao.